Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Market Analysis with Meg Modi, and I'm back with a lot of things again, starting with your global equities, global commodities, forex, and of course cryptos. So everything is summation of into one, and I'm here back with this channel with this new episode, and possibly we'll be looking out a few of the things that has been very intriguing and capitulating in terms of trading. But at the same time, we'll focus first on the equity markets where we can see and obviously what we have witnessed, and obviously what we have been saying it from quite some time, that we are in the third wave of the third wave, where the fifth wave is still running and possibly can be equal to wave 0 to 3 added to 4, which comes to around 53,150 odd levels. And that is where my target is. So last time when I made this video, on Dow Jones Industrial Average, it was somewhere close to 49,500, 49,000 odd levels. And currently we are 1,000 points up, as good as 1,000 points up. So I think there is still a lot of time where we can see Dow Jones going back towards 53,000, possibly making the top there, and then we can see as good as 30% correction from the top, where your wave four is also there. So I'm of the opinion that wave four of the bigger wave degree, that means from 0 to 1 added to 2, then this is 3. And if you see the overall projection here, the projection which I'm talking about, where we can see that wave one, sorry, this is so wave one to wave two, um, this is where your 161.8% is coinciding, which is at maybe 58,000. So that is where 161, but not necessarily it can go towards it. Its main purpose is to be more than 100% if the wave 3 is bigger or larger, and that is what achieved. Yes, if 53,000 is being taken out, 53,150, then 58,000 is the next level. After that we can see a fall coming in. The fall can be delayed but cannot be negated. So yes, I mean, we have to see and focus around at what could be the possibly levels. 53,150 is my level. If it sustains above that level, going to 52,000 or 53,000, then 58,000 will be opened up. So this is Dow Jones Industrial Average. Similarly, S&P 500 is also pretty much doing the same. No change in the view. This is the fifth wave, which possibly can go towards 7,000 or maybe 7,500, and then likely some kind of correction we can see. So if not in H1 2026, then H2 2026 is surely a correction year for everyone. So be careful with that, and be um, open to the possible corrections that we can see. Then coming to the Germany, I mean, Germany DAX is again simplest way of showcasing that it is consolidating at 161.8%, and the possibility of it going towards 200% is quite likely. So still 26,000 or maybe 28,000, from somewhere in between 26 to 28,000 is something which where top can be formed, and after that again we can head back towards 20,000 odd levels. So overall this is DAX for you, and looks like DAX is really doing fantastically well as compared to the other of its peers, global peers. France, yes, I think this is exactly what I had anticipated. And if you want to see this, where I had been of the opinion that this is your wave 5 or maybe wave C of wave 5, then yes, this is A, B, and this is 1, 2, 3. Then we can head back towards 4 and then 5, and possibly completing wave C at the higher end, and then a serious correction back towards 6,800 or maybe even 5,700. So overall this is my projection, this is my forecasting, as in line with your wave counts that I have been showcased here on the screen. And it is something where I can perfectly find it out that France 40, that is CAC, is moving in an ending diagonal, which is a distribution pattern as per the technical analysis. uh, Okay, so this is all now coming back to the Indian equities, which is again very much important for us to know what is happening, what is going on. Is this wave three, wave four, what it is? So my take is that we are still in the fourth of your third wave. That means I should first take out all these things and showcase this to you guys. So this is the one, two, this is third, this is A, B, and C possibly. And this is where your fourth has been ended, and now fifth of the third has probably started. So, looking at this, I mean, obviously, there are two ways of looking into it. One is either fourth is completed here, and this is your one, two, three, four, five, and that will be the end of wave five of wave three, and then fourth, which probably can again come back towards 21,000 or maybe 22,000, and then wave five at one larger degree can open up. So, yes, at the same time, I'm also very keen to know if this in totality, that means can convert into your expanding diagonal pattern. Now, again, something like this. So we can say that this is one, two, three, four, and this is five. So something like this possibly can complete my third wave on the higher side. This is how it looks like, which can be a failure, which cannot be a failure, can surpass this level of the third wave and make a new high and then complete this. So my take is simple. I think this possibly can be your uh, ex, uh, diagonal, which is an expanding diagonal pattern where your one, two, three, four, five can be like this, and then this will probably end my fifth wave of my third wave here, something like this, right? So I think now it is very much clear that how things will unfold going forward, and then there will be a fourth wave coming down, which probably can terminate somewhere close to 22,000. So this is the overall picture of my Nifty analysis. Bank Nifty, on the other hand, has been doing some phenomenal things here. Moving as per the analysis, going higher all the time. 60, I think 60, 60 I think that is exactly what I have showcased, that 63, 64 is something that I'm looking out for in my previous episodes, if you can see. So overall, the picture remains the same. Things are quite clear here. Third is something that we are looking out for, then fourth, and then fifth. So there is a lot of things here still left. We are still in third wave. Obviously, the way bank nifty will perform as compared to nifty will be more as nifty will be moving more in a non-directional format as compared to bank nifty, which can probably go in a directional format. So yes, things are quite simpler here in terms of these indices. If you wish to cover more indices, please DM us. I can definitely make it sure that we cover more indices, global indices, and that can be helpful to our subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe my channel so that whenever I post a new video, you can get the notification and can see the content going every time I post. So thank you all for that. Now, let's come to commodities, how it is, how good it is, what is going on, how right I was, and how wrong I was in comparison to my previous episodes. So yeah, this is the gold, and looking at it, this is the weekly chart. The weekly chart has shown positive, negated this entire candle that was a no topping candle, spinning top, and then there was this again a green candle previous week, and this week also we can assume that there can be more upside move still pending. So my target for $6,000 is still intact for gold. I'll continue to remain bullish for gold. Now, with this also, if you see, there is this a candle which has been not very good in comparison with view of the opinion that previously there was this bearish engulfing pattern. The next week there was this follow up. We initially thought that this can be the end of silver, but that didn't happen. Silver formed again a spinning top at the bottom. I would not say a bottom, but yes, it has probably negated the fall, the fall which probably could have triggered it going towards $60 or maybe $50. But that I think will not happen. And again, $100 or maybe $120 is still very much intact going forward. Copper at the same time looks like can reach towards 14,500. I'm still of the same opinion, which I have mentioned in my previous episode. You can just go through it. There is a lot of information which is available in the episodes. Don't miss those episodes, because there I have been, showcasing a lot of things as per the analysis of wave, Elliott wave analysis. So that again would be very important to watch out for. So yeah, this is something is where you're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in an expanding diagonal kind of a formation, where this is the fifth wave which is going up, right? There was classic, you know, overlapping. Some might agree that this part is okay. This is where it has not overlapped, so we can safely say that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But as per neo wave, no part of wave four should overlap wave one, and that is where your wave four has overlapped here, the first leg. So that means this is again a leading diagonal kind of a pattern, an expanding leading diagonal, and probably can be the first wave of wave 5. We don't know, but still this is the fifth leg which can go towards 14,500 odd levels. Coming to zinc, I have been very much positive on zinc. I'll continue to do so. I think the level which I had mentioned was somewhere close to 3,600. We have achieved that the previous week. That is significant, near to that. I would not say that we have achieved that level. I think I would say that we have reached near to that level. So we continue to remain bullish as far as there is no significant reversal at the top, and overall the picture remains still positive. For you know WTI crude, let's so yeah, I mean, WTI has been very much great, where it has surpassed $60 that obviously we were talking about in the previous episodes. That in case if we open up with, or we see prices going above $60, then there is a possibility of it to go towards $80, and I'll continue with the same. We can go towards $80, and that is the initial target of mine. So somewhere close to 76 to 80 is something that I'll be looking out for. With natural gas, well, in month of January, we went wrong there, because there was this Arctic blast that took us by surprise, and this was the entire rally that we could see. And after that, there's no Arctic blast, and things subsided as soon as it ended up as fast as possible. So yeah, back towards 2.90 or maybe $3 is something that I'll be looking out for. Overall, the view remains bearish for natural gas. Now, uh, looking at the overall picture, and of course the way things have been unfolded, let's quickly jump to you know uh, our forex market, where we could easily see that there is Dow Jones, dollar index, which has been forming a candle, and then there was a follow up. This is a classic, hammer pattern, and then there was this follow up green candle, and now we are just seeing a correction. Once it is over, it will again start rallying. So I think this is my wave B, and there is still wave C pending on the higher side, which can possibly go towards 100. So I'm continuously bullish for dollar index going forward. Now, this again is very important. We believed that this was a part of you know uh, a kind of and new neo extracting triangle, but it didn't happen. This became a running triangle, where your wave 4 has ended, and then your wave 5, which went towards 1.20. Now, the thing is that it came down, and then it started going higher, took the support of this particular triangle, and now it is going higher. So I think again this can be a second wave on the higher side, and then we can see some kind of correction coming in. But yes, again, we don't know if the previous high is taken out, which is 1.201, and dollar index again breaks 96 odd levels, then possibly euro can also tumble. Sorry, euro can also go higher. So overall, this is the thing here for euro dollar, same as GBP USD. We were of the opinion that ABC x ABC can happen, but at the same time, we had opened the possibility that in case if it moves above this channel, then we could say this is its ABC, which is my bigger A here, and this will be my wave B, and then now my wave C on the lower side. So this can also be a possibility, and which looks like that. So overall, this will not be my X now, and this will be my wave B, which has retraced as good as 100%, more than 100%, and now the possibility of it to come down is very much higher. As far as it does not re-enter this channel, the view remains sideways to positive, but the moment it re-enters this channel, it can possibly tumble towards 1.30. So overall, I think we should wait for some kind of correction to happen. But if not, then it can consolidate at these levels, just like euro dollar, and after that we can see a fall. So that's the overall picture for 10-year treasury. I think it has started moving higher again. If you want to have a complete picture on 10-year treasury, which we had anticipated, this is in a triangle pattern, you can visit our episodes 1, 2, 3, where a detailed analysis on 10-year treasury and how we were of the opinion that dollar index will start rallying has been provided in this video. So you can just go through it, just see how it is, and check it out. So we are of the opinion that 4.40 to 4.60 something, where we could see your 10-year treasury to top out, and then again it can fall back down in form of wave E. Overall, things are quite clear in this scenario. So that's the overall picture for the forex. Now coming to our crypto, but before going to crypto, I'm again reiterating that if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Please, at least I would be happy if I get some kind of appreciation by you guys to subscribe my channel, and we could, anytime I post some content, it will be easy for you guys to see and obviously get notified as fast as possible. For BTC, yes, it has gone down. This was not something that we were of the opinion. We believed that it was wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this could be a wave 5, but it has come down. Again, this cannot be a topping process because there is still a lot of room for the price to go higher. What if this is wave 2, then 3, 4, and 5? We are still dicey with that, but looks like that this is more of an ending diagonal pattern. So I would see if wave 4, that is my level of 53,000, if it is taken out, then I'll be skeptical whether, and change my wave counts, negating that this is an ending diagonal. But as far as it is not taken out, I would continue to remain with this particular analysis and forecasting. Well, that's it from my side. Thank you so much. Hopefully, this video has given a lot of insights to you guys, and hopefully that this will help you in analyzing the weekly markets going forward. That will be all from my side. Thank you so very much. Have a pleasant week.